안녕, 미스톨롱이야. 안녕하세요, 여러분, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I will show you where I live or the place where I stay here in Gwangju, and some tips with regards to choosing a place, especially in Korea, which is very expensive. And yeah, let's get started.
Voila! This is my place. I live on the second floor, and yeah, that's me. Look at that. This is the place. So most apartments here in Korea have digital locks combined with the traditional door handles.
So when you enter my door, my room, you can see this kind of space here. See that space? Ta-da! I have a little space for like shoes, as you can see here. This one, I have two cabinets for just for my shoes. Ta-da! And I also have a mirror here. I have a mirror. So this is a little space, and when you come in, you can see two separate doors. This is my bathroom, and this is the main room where I do everything. Sleeping, eating, and everything. So first, I'd like to show you my restroom. Don't be surprised, okay? Alright, so there's nothing special here in my restroom except from these red roses tiles. I have the shower here, which is connected to the faucet. You just like move this and that, so you can change to faucet to shower. And yeah, let's go now to my room. So again, that's the restroom. Let's go now enter to my crib. So this is my place. Actually, this is only like 25 square meters, which is kind of good. I mean, huge if you are staying alone. And yeah, I'll just wanna show you what I have. I have the table, the lamp, which is already provided by the owner. I have also the bed and everything. The bed is included already here in this place, so I have nothing to buy except some personal things. I also have TV, drawer, and electric fan, which the owner also provided. And the bad thing in my place, I don't have closet. So look at my clothes, everything here open. It's like I'm selling thrift shops. It's kind of messy, especially if I have visitors, so I don't have privacy with my clothes, but I don't mind. And alright, so the table and chair, they're already provided together with all the things here. But of course, these are all my stuffs where I bought personally. I have here my Ben. This is Ben. Ben? Oh no! I forgot his name. His name is Bob. Okay. This is my Bob from Daiso. And actually this one, I bought this from Daiso because this is glass door. Separation from my room to the kitchen. This is a glass, and for me it's too bright in the morning. They put some curtain, but it's kind of not good to see, so I just bought this one, 5,000 won from Daiso. It's kind of a paper blind. It's not, not really a real blind, but it's helpful. It covers everything. And I also have a conditioning unit, which is already installed here. And I have a tip for you. If you want to survive the winter without opening the floor heater, because you have to open this, use the gas, but you have to pay a lot. So a student of mine before gifted me this bed warmer or bed heater. So I just turn it on and see this one. It warms me up for the whole night. So I don't have to turn on for now the heating in the floor because I know it'll be so expensive. And yeah, as I mentioned, the television I have here, I rarely open this because I'm very busy and I just, go to the school in the morning and just come back here at night. So I don't really have time to watch any program. So again, this is my open closet or hangers. And here we have I don't know if you can see this, but this is the switch for the heating, especially for the water and for the floor heating. Okay, let's go now to the kitchen, but don't expect a lot because my kitchen is very messy. There is a glass partition here. If I'm cooking, I just can close this one so my whole room won't smell a lot. Okay. I still have the laundry here. But this is my kitchen. This is provided already. There is like cabinets for some stuffs. Actually, this kitchen is kind of enough for one person. I have a stove which is operated by a gas. I just need to turn it on. And it's also provided included in this apartment. And the table, I did not buy this. The fridge, 2 doors, it's already included in everything. And I have like a washing machine over there, which is also included in my monthly pay. So I forgot to show you the outside view. This is the view. It's actually the Jeollanamdo Dentistry Hospital over there. I'm just in front of that building. So my place is located just right in front of the Jeollanam National University Dental Hospital. So it's kind of near to my laboratory. That's why I chose this place. And yeah, let's discuss things with regards to this one room. Alright, so this time I'd like to share to you the prices of apartments or one room as they call it here in Korea. The regular price for one rooms. And where did I find this place? Before I moved here to Gwangju, I visited 2 times. And the second visit I came here to find apartments, to make reservations and to sign for a contract. So for that, I went through a budongsan, which is a real estate agent. You just go there, tell them that you are looking for one room type of apartment and give your budget, estimated budget, like your deposit, how much can you pay, and how much monthly payment do you want to pay or can you afford. So you can discuss with the agent in the budongsan and they will help you or show you your preferences. Like for example, for me, I said I can only pay 250 a month, from 250,000 a month until 300 or 350 at least for the maximum. I told that to budongsan and she showed me like 3 apartments and 1 apartment is here. I also told them actually the location where I wanted to get my place. So I told them, oh, I want in this place because it's kind of close to my laboratory. And they showed me 3 apartments. First is on the 3rd floor, which the building has no elevator. So I don't like it because it's kind of tiring to go up 3rd floor without elevator, though it's okay, but I don't like it. So this place, I think second option that I checked, I kind of like it because the place was spacious. After that, I told them, okay, I will take this place and I told them I will move on this date. On the same day when I checked this place, I also signed the contract. I told them, okay, I will, when I come here, I will pay the deposit and 1 month advance payment. And if you will go to Budongsan, the real estate agent, of course you have to pay for commission. It's kind of like 5 or 10% of the deposit. I told them that I can only pay 1 million won for deposit, which is kind of the cheapest because I don't have money. Actually, this is not my money. I did not use my money to pay for the deposit here. It's my sister's money. Actually, there's also cheaper options, but you know, it's not my type. So if you want more cheaper place, you can find like the cheapest is 500,000 won or 200 to 250 to 300 per month. You can find that, but you know, when I came here, I don't have that much time to look for more. So when I saw this place, I just grabbed it right away. So I paid 1 million won for the deposit, and I'm paying 300,000 won per month, including the management fees. What I'm paying here is only electricity and the gas. So in the 300,000 monthly payments, water is already included, internet is already included, and all the stuffs here are included. 300, and mostly I pay for the electricity per month not more than 15,000 won, and the last time I paid for the gas is just 3,000 won. And I think it's better for me, in my opinion, it's better to go to Budongsan or real estate agent because you can discuss to them. Though they speak in Korean, you can ask someone to come with you to explain, but you can discuss to them what you want in your room, what's your preference, something like that. Staying outside is kind of expensive, but there are things that you can benefit. Like, yeah, you have your own space. It's just what everyone wanted to have. So I hope this video is kind of helpful in a way. And yeah, if you have any questions with regards to hunting apartment, if I can answer it based on my experience, I will answer it. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. 감사합니다. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.